5 years ago this week, Governor Kemp made that announcement about the first COVID-19 death in Georgia. A 67-year-old man tested positive for the virus 5 days before passing away at a Marietta hospital. On March 11th, health officials declared a public health emergency. The declaration would not officially expire until 2023. The virus changed life as we knew it, with lockdowns, mask mandates, and social distancing. Perhaps no group was impacted more than healthcare workers who were on the front lines. Hunter King spoke with staff at Houston Healthcare about those difficult days and the changes we're seeing today.
5 years ago, these hospital hallways were filled with uncertainty, fear, and heartbreak. Outside, a makeshift triage area dubbed Tent City processed patients as they arrived.
Tent City is what it was called, and it's like nothing you can imagine. It's like the movies.
Yeah.
I mean, it really is, and it's hard to believe that it was 5 years ago.
Jessica Page, director of critical care, says the pandemic took an emotional toll on everyone.
We had no idea, what we were working with. We were running low on supplies. We, would come in and see patients who were there when we left, and when we came back, they, were no longer with us.
Dr. Maya Hussein, a pulmonologist, balanced treating critically ill patients with caring for her own family.
My kids were 7 through 11 at that time, and we pretty much had to leave them to fend for themselves at home because I was here for an incredible, long period of time.
But amid the darkness, rays of light appeared. The community rallied around healthcare workers. 13 WMAZ video archives show the community coming out in full support.
I'll never forget the day that we walked out and there was a whole prayer vigil going on in the parking lot. There were cars parked everywhere. There was, music just blaring and people with signs.
And 5 years later, the lessons learned continue to shape healthcare in Houston County.
It just happened so fast. It's such a blur that I don't know if there's anything we could have changed or done different.
Reporting from Warner Robins, Hunter King, 13 WMAZ News.
According to the CDC, more than 1 million Americans died from COVID-19. In Georgia, there were over 42,000 deaths, including more than 1,500 in central Georgia.